in lunar observation and photography. He played the key 11 moon landing mission and later Apollo mission. He also came up with the idea of touchable moon rocks at a museum inspired by his childhood pilgrimage to Mecca. Dr. Farouk is an adjunct faculty and geology faculty at the Faculty of Science at Shams University, and currently is a research professor and sensing at the Boston University, Massachusetts. Here's a presentation by Dr. Farouk Elbaz.
I'm delighted to be with you today to celebrate the International Moon Day. And I'm delighted that the Egyptian Space Agency is celebrating the moon today because of the fact that the Apollo program was certainly one of the most important. To think about what went on during the Apollo program is important so that we can prepare for what we do next, particularly in Earth orbit, learning about the Earth living more, returning to the moon, and studying it further, going on to the planets of the solar system. The more we learn about the moon and what did happen during the Apollo program, the more we better prepared to study the solar system. So if you allow me to start talking about what we learned about the Apollo program and how this Apollo program began, that would be a very important thing for us to figure out what do we need to go from now on. Next slide. In November 1957, the Soviet Union sent Sputnik 1 into space. It was not a big satellite, but it's just a tiny little thing that said to the Earth orbit. But that shook up the American nation incredibly. Everybody was afraid. The Russians, how could the Russians beat us? How could the Russians go to space before we do? What happened here? Are they taking pictures from us? How can they send rockets to beat us from there? What is happening here? So the United States of America was terrified of the fact that Sputnik 1 was something that the Russians sent into space. And the United States of America had nothing to compare with it.